Today, we're diving into SoFi, a company experiencing a remarkable surge. We'll explore the driving forces behind this rise, analyze current data points, and cover everything you need to know.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi is up 3.56%, ranging from a low of $3.30 to a high of $6.55, with 24.03 million shares traded against an average of 34.9 million. Interestingly, institutional buying has been minimal, with only 4 secondary market transactions above $100,000. Shorts aren't heavily active either, which I'll discuss shortly. Much of today's volume is driven by algorithmic trading, as AI systems recognize SoFi as a good deal. Analysts are cautiously optimistic about the upcoming week's personal consumption expenditures (PCE) data. The market is largely focused on potential interest rate cuts, with a 61.1% probability of a 25 basis point cut in the September meeting. Such a cut would significantly benefit growth stocks, including SoFi. There hasn't been any new company news, SEC filings, or updated analyst ratings today. However, analysts remain optimistic, with the last rating, set 10 days ago, targeting a $12 price. This rating came from Mizuho Dan, who has a 50% success rate, indicating a fairly positive outlook. Short interest has increased by 1.19 million shares, with 17.7% of the free float being shorted. Utilization stands at 72.34%, and the cost to borrow average is 0.98%. This morning saw a resurgence in market manipulation, with the cost to borrow minimum at minus 0.2%, meaning some brokers are paying to short SoFi. Despite these factors, IFs and institutions are disclosing their positions. For example, Schwab's 1000 index increased its position in SoFi by 3.48%. Conversely, some ETFs are shorting SoFi, though one notable fund, the Morningstar Alternative Fund, reduced its short position by 52%. Examining options data, we see $4.03 million in calls and $1.68 million in puts, with 50% of today's options activity being bullish. The consensus for call options is around the $6.50 mark, indicating a strong interest at this level. Open interest at the $6.50 strike price has risen by about 40%, now at 18,000, up from 11,000. The open interest at the $7 and $7.50 strike prices are 18,000 and 43,000, respectively. This suggests that if SoFi can close above $6.50 this Friday, we might see a positive bump in its stock price. Despite SoFi's strong performance today, the $6.50 call options are trading at 14 cents, indicating that traders expect a pullback below $6.50. Typically, we'd expect higher premiums for such strike prices, suggesting cautious sentiment among investors. Historically, SoFi has seen quick spikes followed by retracements, so investors are understandably cautious. Currently trading at $6.54, SoFi is between support at $6.45 and resistance at $6.69. Holding above $6.50 in the short term is crucial for maintaining upward momentum. The stock is gaining momentum, which, if sustained, could see further gains in the coming trading days. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are expected to be technically driven, with several Federal Reserve speakers scheduled. Fed Speaker Goolsbee mentioned that monetary policy would continue independently of political developments, suggesting potential rate cuts. Rate cuts are a significant catalyst for growth stocks like SoFi. The stochastic indicator shows a bullish deviation, with SoFi being rather oversold. Positive news, whether specific to SoFi or the broader market, could attract value investors. Today has already seen increased activity from retail investors, contributing to SoFi's positive performance. Conclusion: SoFi is showing promising signs, with significant market activity and cautious optimism from analysts and investors alike. The key question remains whether SoFi can sustain these gains. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.